Hi, my name is Steven with SoCal Warehouse. Today we are showing property in Southgate, right next to the 710 and the 105, right in between Huntington Park and Commerce. This is actually 100,000 square feet of industrial space. But we're gonna walk you to the yard as we're trying to set that up for a client of mine that does trucking. They got vans the size of Sprinter vans and box trucks that they use for broadcasting and setting up signal. We're gonna use this yard right here as parking space for the trucks. And then they have garage space for maintenance on the trucks. This building is a 4,000, roughly 5,000 square foot building with about 16-foot high ceilings with a roll-up door. Actually, it's a swing-up door. This is M2 industrial space. This is actually gonna be an option where it's leased to buy. So we're trying to get my client into something for 3 years with an option to purchase after. Yeah, and if you need any services, any leasing, any buying, any selling, contact SoCal Warehouse. We would love to help you out.